Inspect and clean the headphone jack. Even if you can't see anything, pocket lint or debris can be triggering the headphone sensor. Press and hold the side key, power button, and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This is the most effective first step and fixes the problem 90% of the time. Your phone will vibrate and restart.